My name is Hamad. For a long time, I was only disciplined when someone was watching me. If my teacher gave homework, I completed it. If my parents asked me to study, I studied. But when no one was watching, I became careless. I used my phone for long hours. I delayed my work. I ignored my goals. Because of this, my progress was slow. One day, my teacher said something that made me think deeply. He said, "Your real character is shown when no one is watching." At first, I did not fully understand, but later I realized its meaning. Being disciplined is not about rules, it is about self-control. That evening, I sat alone in my room. No one was checking me, no one was asking me to study. I had two choices: use my phone or practice English. For a few minutes, I felt confused. My mind said, "No one will know. You can relax today." But then I remembered my teacher's words, "Your real character is shown when no one is watching." So I opened my notebook. I studied for 20 minutes. That day felt small, but it felt important. The next day I did the same, and the next. Slowly I created a habit. Study daily, practice English, improve step by step. No one was forcing me, but I continued. Weeks passed. I noticed something surprising. My confidence increased, my focus improved, my habits became stronger because I was consistent even when no one was watching. Now, I understand something clearly. Discipline is not about pressure, it is about commitment. When you stay disciplined alone, you build real strength, because success is not built in public, it is built in private. Final thought. Do the right thing even when no one is watching. That is true discipline. Ending line. Keep learning English, keep staying disciplined, and always remember, real success is built when no one is watching.